On behalf of the Wellborn family, we would like to thank everyone for attending this grand event here in East Avoga today. A place where Alabama folks are able to support their families. That's what it's all about, making Alabama stronger through manufacturing jobs and now for our future generations.
We currently employ 83 talented team members here. That number will grow to over 400 as production scales up to 2,000 cabinets a day. The site sits on 60 acres. We currently have 30 acres developed, leaving plenty of room for future growth. We have 250,000 square feet under roof. 99% of the components used in the production at this facility are domestically sourced, supporting American manufacturing.
Man, this is a special group of people. These are the kind of people that we want to be a part of our community. They are family-oriented, a champion company that needs to be in Alabama, and that's why I'm so proud that y'all are here.
You're talking about starting a business, there's a lot of struggles along the way. It just, you know what makes the struggles a lot easier? Is to have good people around you. The builders done an excellent job here. The product we're building in this plant, we've been building for a couple of years, and it's been well accepted by our customer base. This is a good product. It's going to do well. So I thank everybody that's played a part today. Thank you. God bless you.